Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee Altitude 4-wheel drive, stock number E1471B. 17,000 miles on this, one owner, local trade, clean auto check history report, bright white in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection. Give you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage. Seats 5, leather interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety. And power liftgate for convenience. Lots of cargo space in the rear. And very clean. No dents or dings in the body. This Altitude has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position, power moonroof, push button start, large, easy to read gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, very large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices, dual zone automatic temperature control, along with heated seats as well as heated steering wheel, navigation, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those media devices. 8-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. Large glove box with overhead auto dimming mirror, home link transmitter for garage door opener, power moonroof, and liftgate control. Under the hood, this Grand Cherokee has a 3.6-liter V6, 295 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 18 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 25 on the highway, and approximately 50% tire tread left. For more information on this Grand Cherokee, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.